Get acquainted with the 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. The Equinox delivers advanced safety features, family-friendly passenger comfort, technology that keeps you connected and entertained, ample cargo space, and sculpted styling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Practical and functional meets stylish and comfortable in the Equinox. Take a test drive today.